In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Ableton to a mixer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present various different ways to connect Ableton Live to a mixer, depending on the setup that you have and the goals. So I'm gonna break down the most common scenarios. First, if you have an audio interface with multiple outputs, your audio interface will act as a bridge between Ableton and your mixer. Each output will represent or correspond to a channel on your mixer, and this will allow you to send individual tracks or groups from Ableton to separate channels on the mixer for more hands-on control and mixing. So you can connect your audio interface through various methods, via USB, which is an extremely common one, and you can use alternative cables as well. So just plug one end of the cable into the mixer, and then the other one into your PC or laptop running Ableton. There's no secret to this, and you can choose from a variety of cables to establish this connection. The most common one, like I mentioned, is going to be USB. Some mixers will have a built-in audio interface allowing you to connect them directly. But to keep it simple, you just have to establish the physical connection. Then after this is done, you can open Ableton Live, and when you go over to the audio input and output devices inside of the preferences, you will be able to select the mixer as the input and output device. Afterwards, you can route the tracks. So route the tracks that you want to send to the mixer to the corresponding outputs on the mixer's interface. For this video, I won't go into deep detail on how to do this and how to properly set everything up. I just wanted to give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish a connection between the mixer and the PC or laptop running Ableton. So use USB primarily, but if you notice that you cannot use this option or you don't like it, then there will be various different ways to explore to connect them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ableton to a mixer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.